Students, so we have a question over here. Question is illustration 6.32. So let's start solving this illustration. A helium plus ion is at rest in its ground state. So that's N, mass M, moving with kinetic energy K. That's helium plus ion, mass 4m. So a neutron in the initial kinetic energy K, which is this, head-on collision with the helium plus ion, find the minimum value of K so that there is an elastic collision between the two particles. So because there is no external force acting, if I'm considering this as system, so no external force is there. So I can apply the linear momentum conservation. So this is the initial scene, and the final case will be something like this, that after the collision, this is before collision, and let's see what happens after collision. So after collision, the situation seems something like this, that this neutron is now, suppose I am considering the initial velocity is v naught. The initial velocity for this is 0, and after final collision, the velocity, let's say the velocity of this one is becomes v, okay, after the collision. And the same velocity is with the helium plus ion. This 4m is moving with velocity v, okay. So now let's use the initial and final momentum, which is to be equal p initial p final. What is initial? That is m into v naught plus 4m into 0. Final is m into v plus 4m into v, okay. That's what we are getting right now. So m and m cancel out. This becomes 0 actually. So we can write 5v is equal to v naught. So v is coming out to be v naught by 5. That's what we are getting right now, okay. So now the very next step will be about the kinetic energy, because that's what asked in the question. So initial kinetic energy is k, okay. So the initial kinetic energy is k, and the final kinetic energy will be how much? So it should be half m into the velocity of this one is v square plus half into m is 4m into v square. So I can take half. This actually becomes what? 4m plus 5mv square. So 5m 5 by 2 mv square, okay. So that's what we are getting right now. So 5m by 2 into v is what? V naught by 5. V naught by 5 whole square, that is the value of kinetic energy final. So this is coming out to be 5m by 2 into v naught square by 5 into 5. 5 and 5 cancel out. We are getting with uh, m v naught square by 10. That's the final kinetic energy we are getting right, okay, here. So what is the k value of k here? That is simply half mv square. So let's calculate the loss in kinetic energy. Loss in kinetic energy, minimum loss will definitely be 0, but the loss here we can see is the initial kinetic minus final kinetic. So we can see the loss. So initial kinetic is, okay, sorry, it will be final minus initial. So what is final? Final kinetic energy is mv square by 10. Initial kinetic energy will be mv square by 2. Let's take mv square by 2 as common. We are getting by with 1 by 5 minus 1. So what is mv square? Half mv square is actually k, as we have assumed this value is k. So which is minus 4 by 5. The minus sign represent the loss, so it is minus 4k by 5. Magnitude wise, it is the loss in kinetic energy magnitude. In magnitude, it is simply 4k by 5, okay. So the losses will be this. So this value 4k by 5 must be greater than the given value, okay. Now that's a thing we need to understand. the energies. Okay, so we need to use the energy relation. For that, we know that E is equal to E naught and Z square divided by N square, and we already know the value of basically, here we are talking of the helium ion. Okay, for helium the Z will be very well known to us. Okay, so so the values are, this value is 13.6 multiplied by Z square, which is for helium definitely. Okay, Z for helium, it is 4. Actually Z is 2, so 2 square is 4. Okay, and that's what we are getting. And yeah, so the values which generally obtained is something in the ratio of 0 and 40.8 mega electron volt and 48.36 MeV. Then we have uh, approximately something like this. The data goes on. Okay, so we are in the between these two particles. That's what the question is. So we take 40.8 into consideration. So 4k by 5 is actually greater than 40.8 mega electron volt. So this is coming out to be 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. K minimum will be 51 electron volt. Okay, so that will be the solution for the given question. Hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.